VIA Rail is mandated to provide cost-effective and efficient passenger rail transportation in Canada. Also, we strive to be a market leader in service excellence in this field. VIA Rail is carrying about 4 million passengers a year currently. We serve over 450 communities in Canada. We're using 14,000 kilometers of trackage in Canada. We operate 450 trains per week, 300 of which are operating in Ontario and Quebec. So it's quite an undertaking. VIA Rail went into a tendering process over a year ago for a complete telecom solution. The challenge at the time was to replace potentially the existing supplier with identical products and services and implement that in a very tight time frame. Allstream came to the table with a very collaborative type of project, one which focused on being flexible and adding value to VIA Rail.
The strength of Allstream is we are very focused, customer-oriented. It's really the service who differentiate Allstream comparing to the other provider. As a proof, we have put in place a dedicated team to do the migration of all the connectivity services for VIA Rail, and that was their main concerns, to be honest with you. They say, yeah, by changing provider, yes, we can save money, but what will be the impact on our daily operation? There were really concerns about that. How long it will take you guys to move all our offices and train stations across Canada over to your network, and we don't want to lose any services.
What we did at the initial outset of the project is we formed a project team between the two firms, which got the project done in under a large part of it in under 6 months, which is quite remarkable. Afterwards, we put processes in place in order to manage our day-to-day relationship in terms of reporting on Allstream's actual performance on the account for VIA Rail, and also to manage change. Allstream is basically supplying all telecom services for VIA Rail at present, including our call centers, which are located in Montreal and Moncton, providing our wide area data network, long distance, 1-800 toll-free services, and local services all across Canada, in all our stations, our business offices, and headquarters.
We are sharing among us the information, and there is always somebody there available to speak with somebody at VIA when they need to talk to us. We are doing follow-ups with them, and this is what they like about Allstream, the dedication we bring to the account.
That's definitely one point of demarcation, if I would say, from other suppliers. Allstream, being a smaller company, is able to react quickly to our needs. Agility for VIA Rail is something that is very important, because very often during the day, during the course of a week or a trip on our trains, there are situations that have to be dealt with rather quickly. I think that in terms of telecom supplier, as our business changes, I think the supplier needs to be as agile as us, hopefully. So having a partner like Allstream is definitely beneficial.